If there's one thing you must have in your home, it's a good fridge. The best refrigerators are big, reliable, and use little energy so your family's food stays fresh as long as possible. There are so many refrigerator brands on the market today that it can be hard to find the right one for your home. When comparing refrigerator brands, you should think about the durability and reliability of the products, as well as things like special features, return options, and the period of the warranty. Also, don't assume that a higher price means a better refrigerator, because that's not always the case. Sometimes the designer or higher-end brands don't necessarily offer the best quality or fit the needs of everyday households. Keeping these things in mind, we looked into dozens of the most popular refrigerator brands on the market today to find the best one in terms of quality, price, and style for you. So feel free to like this video and subscribe. Number 1 is the Cafe refrigerator brand. Cafe is a high-end appliance name that puts a lot of thought into how it looks, making it a great choice if you want your kitchen to stand out. In an Instagram post, Christina Hall said that she recently updated her kitchen with Matte Black Cafe appliances, including a new fridge. We picked Matte Black appliances because they are different and beautiful. They really set the scene we were going for, which was natural and dark. Not only are they beautiful, but the quality is unbeatable. The Cafe brand is made by G, and it has stylish French door, side-by-side, and 4-door refrigerators, as well as built-in models and even drawer fridges that fit under the counter. Also, one of its best selling points is that you can change the hardware on your appliance to fit your decor by choosing from a variety of metal finishes. It only makes sense that Cafe's high-end designs come with high-tech features. Most of its refrigerators are smart, and some French door types even have built-in Keurig systems or hot water dispensers. Just know that this brand isn't cheap. Its least expensive models start at around $3,000, but most of them cost more than $4,000. Number 2 is the LG refrigerator brand. No matter where you go to buy a refrigerator, you're sure to see LG models. There's a good reason why they're so popular with households. The brand has a wide range of refrigerators, including French door and side-by-side types. You can find simple, no-frills appliances as well as high-tech ones with more features. LG also keeps up with the latest innovations in appliances by making Wi-Fi connected refrigerators, fancy ice styles, and features like InstaView, which lets you see what's inside the fridge by knocking on the door. LG is also the best when it comes to being reliable. Yale Appliance puts it at the top of its list of the most trusted appliance brands because it needs fewer repairs than many other brands. The brand stands behind its products with a normal 1-year warranty on parts and labor and a 5-year warranty on compressors. When you buy something from LG, keep in mind that their customer service isn't the best. Many people say that it's hard to file warranty claims or schedule repairs through the brand, so you might be better off buying a fridge from a third-party seller like Home Depot or Lowe's that offers its own extended warranty or service choices. Number 3 is the Whirlpool refrigerator brand. Whirlpool is a well-known brand that makes a wide range of basic refrigerators, including French door, side-by-side, top freezer, and bottom freezer types. The company has a good reputation for customer satisfaction and reliability, but it doesn't have any high-tech features like smart connectivity. Whirlpool fridges, on the other hand, don't have a lot of extra features, so they cost less. Even though Whirlpool machines may not have a lot of bells and whistles, they still work fine. Most of its refrigerators have shelves and door bins that can be moved, so you can organize food in a way that works for your family. Models made of stainless steel have a finish that doesn't show fingerprints, so they stay clean even in busy homes. Whirlpool also gives you 30 days to return large appliances, which is longer than most other brands. However, if you bought the item straight from the brand, you'll have to pay a 15% restocking fee. Number 4 is the Frigidaire refrigerator brand. Frigidaire is an excellent brand to think about if you're shopping on a budget. It has simple top freezer models that start at around $600 and side-by-side, and 4-door models that aren't too expensive and won't break the bank. These machines don't have any smart or high-tech features, but they are very useful because the insides can be changed. Keep in mind that most people will have to buy Frigidaire appliances from a third-party store like Home Depot or Lowe's because the brand only sells directly in certain places. Keep this in mind when you go shopping because each store may have its own rules about returns and restocking. Number 5 is the Bosch refrigerator brand. Bosch is known for making high-quality kitchen tools, and the brand's fridges are no different. Most of its current models have French doors and a sleek stainless steel finish. All of the brand's fridges are ENERGY STAR approved, so you don't have to worry about them driving up your electricity bill. But you'll have to buy from a third-party store like Home Depot or Lowe's because Bosch doesn't sell directly to customers. Most Bosch refrigerators are smart, like the popular 800 series French door type. Their QuickIce Pro System can make up to 12 pounds of ice per day. Some models also have the brand's Farm Fresh system, which helps keep food fresh longer by keeping the temperature and humidity at just the right levels and soaking up the ethylene gas that the food gives off. Even though Bosch fridges look nice and are well made, they aren't cheap. Refrigerators from the brand's 500 series start at around $2,500 and high-end models cost more than $4,000. Number 6 is the KitchenAid refrigerator brand. Even though KitchenAid is best known for its famous stand mixer, it has started making bigger appliances in the last few years. Its line of freezers is flexible, stylish, and has high-end features. Most of its refrigerators are French door or side-by-side models, but it also has a unique 5-door model and a few built-in models for a more uniform look in your kitchen, though they cost more. If you want tools that make life easier, KitchenAid has them. Some common design choices include a slide-out tray for heavy serving plates, a water dispenser that gives out measured amounts, and shelves that slide away. But you might be surprised to learn that its appliances aren't tied to Wi-Fi, which could be a deal breaker if you like to keep an eye on things from your phone. The return time is another thing that makes KitchenAid stand out. If you don't have a KitchenAid account, you can return items for free for up to 30 days. If you do have an account, you can return items for up to 60 days. Even if the device isn't broken, you won't have to pay a restocking fee. Number 7 is the Insignia refrigerator brand. You probably don't know much about the Insignia brand because you won't find it in your neighborhood home improvement store. This is because the brand is made by and sold only at Best Buy. If you want a small, cheap refrigerator, this is a great choice. Most Insignia fridges cost less than $1,000, and many of them are small with a volume of about 10 cubic feet. This makes them great for small apartments or even RVs. There are also full-size choices, such as a side-by-side model with a stainless steel finish that costs a fair amount. The designs are usually very simple, with only a few shelves that can be moved inside. However, they are cheap, reliable, and worth considering for smaller rooms. Number 8 is the Sub-Zero refrigerator brand. Sub-Zero is a high-end brand of appliances, and designers like it because its designs are sleek and it works well for a long time. Interior designer Hilary Matt says, "I always recommend Sub-Zero because they are made to last an average of 20 years." This brand has a wide range of high-end refrigerators, including freestanding, built-in, under-the-counter, and even wine refrigerators. Most of its appliances are panel-ready, which means you can put custom cabinetry on them to make your kitchen look better. Many of its French door types are 42 or 48 inches wide, giving you more space to store your favorite foods. Even though Sub-Zero fridges are a choice among designers, not everyone can afford to buy one. Most of its full-size models cost more than $5,000, which makes it a clear splurge-worthy choice. Number 9 is the Samsung refrigerator brand. Many homeowners choose Samsung, especially if they want sleek, modern equipment for their kitchen. Many of the brand's appliances are made of stainless steel, but its new Bespoke line lets you fully design the glass doors with bright colors or your own artwork. It's the best choice if you want your kitchen to stand out and don't mind paying more for a unique look. As you might expect from a well-known tech company like Samsung, many of its refrigerators also have smart features. Reviewers love the Family Hub, which is like a tablet built into the front of the appliance and lets you make a shopping list, share pictures, control other smart devices, and even stream music or TV shows. You may also want to look for the brand's new mega capacity refrigerators, which have up to 32 cubic feet of storage room and a beverage center with a water pitcher that fills itself. People have complained that the brand's coolers and ice makers leak water. So if you want to buy a model from this brand, make sure to read the reviews for that model. This concludes our list. If you like what you see, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for future updates. You won't be disappointed.